Welcome to PaidToday, how to schedule an invoice payment. First thing you want to do, open up your invoices here on the left sidebar. If you've got any of these created currently, look for a pending status and then go ahead and open it up by clicking on the ID or the view button on the right. And once we have this open, we can see that we have a scheduled payment button here. And we want to go ahead and click on that, and we can see there's no scheduled payments currently. These payments have currently processed below, so we're just going to go ahead and schedule a new one. And then go ahead and you can choose an existing card if one exists for this invoice or this contact, or you can go ahead and add a new card number in as well. We're just going to use an existing card for this example, and then we'll just go ahead and choose the amount. So we'll say $50, and I'm going to go ahead and schedule it for Wednesday. Click schedule payment. And then as we can see, the process date will be 12/30. The last four we can see, and the status is pending for the amount of 50. And if I need to cancel it, I can go ahead and cancel it right here with the cancel button.